2019 Ford Explorer. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's cleverly designed to maximize convenience and comfort with features such as automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning. Call today to speak to any of our sales associates.